Hello, today I wanted to show you how to install Linux on a virtual box. I'll be installing Zorin OS, not Ubuntu or any other distribution, because I like how Zorin OS looks and it has like some features that are good for virtual machines. So you will need a Zorin OS ISO to install it. The Zorin.com. It's the official site. There is a paid version and a free version. Skip to download. So yeah, and you wait a little bit and it will start downloading. So yeah, I don't need it, I have it downloaded. Let's open VirtualBox, create a new machine. I will put the version on Ubuntu because Zorin OS is based on Ubuntu, and I will change the place where is my virtual machine to this folder. Next, I will put some more RAM. Next, we'll create a virtual hard disk. I will use VirtualBox default. Yeah, I have enough with VirtualBox and dynamically allocated. So I'm gonna put 80 gigabytes. Minimum I say 40, even it says 10, but 10 is... I don't think that you can even install the system with 10. Create. Then first I will go to display, add some display to system, and I will give half of my processors, and then in storage I will delete the ED controller and I will add an optical drive with the Linux ISO, with the Zorin OS Core ISO. Choose OK and start. So now click enter, try or install. I'm gonna hide this. I don't think that you could have some errors here. So, and we will wait a lot. I don't know why VirtualBox doesn't like Zorin OS like in the setup process. It takes a lot to install, but then when you install it already, it goes pretty good. So we'll wait a little bit. Let's click on Try Zorin OS. So first I will go to display settings and I will set it to something that will fit on my screen. Okay, keep changes. So now we can install Zorin OS. Of course you can look by if you like it. I think I will make a video about other like distros, but I think I will use Zorin OS mainly. It even has like a let's start the install. While it's loading, I will show you a little bit what it is. So yeah, I think this it's meant to have like a logo here, but it doesn't have nothing. So let's continue, don't participate. I will leave this enabled. Okay, so as this is a virtual machine, I will erase all disk. But if you are experimenting with your computer, of course, with your real computer, you will need to do something else to not erase your Windows install. So install now and continue. Also, if you do a dual boot, even in virtual machines, you can use some like the something else option. VM. So you will need to set up a password, even if it's a virtual machine. And I will put login automatically because it's a virtual machine. Check if your CD of installation ejected automatically in the devices menu while it's loading. Well, if it loaded to the installer, you know, get it off the devices menu. We are in Zorin OS. How about that you will need to hear my voice after this cool animation. Yeah, now we'll change our display settings with right click, and now okay, so yeah, let's start our tour. Start tour. Open the menu to launch apps. Yeah, like in Windows. It's another thing that I like of this distribution. It has a like Windows, the start menu. Next, launch Zorin appearance. So yeah, you can change some free appearances, and there are like you need to pay for more desktop layouts. So I have enough with this layout, accent color green, and I will change the thing to dark. Okay. No, I want always dark. Applications. Okay. So yeah, you can always set another, like all the themes. I will use Zorin default. So okay, interface, jelly mode. Yeah, it's a cool feature of this system also, jelly mode. You can also change the Windows key or the super key in Linux. What it does, activities overview or menu, hot corner. Yeah, so corner. I don't know how you launch this. Okay, I will look at this later. You can change the position. Yeah, so desktop. Yeah, let's put some folders on the desktop. and you can always change the size of the icons. Okay, we finished with appearance. Oh yeah, so this is what I like from Zorin OS. You can install guest additions like from the start door app. Okay, so we put our password, line changes. Yeah, so now we have guest additions installed. You can connect your online accounts. I will do it later. You can connect your phone. You can yeah. So let's launch software. Let's go shopping. Updates. There are no updates. So for now, I will leave this. Okay. Yeah. So I will install later the apps. Close. And first I want to do the system updates. So, okay. And let's update our system. Okay, so let's put full screen mode. And let's exit full screen mode. And we have the additions installed, so it doesn't like the resolution it's right for your computers. Let's then finally update. Let's go to start software. Not update. Let's install some apps. I will. So first I tried to install like Minecraft launcher, but it didn't work. Later you will know why. So let's see how I installed Audacity first. Let's try Audacity. So, I think, yeah, I think it doesn't work because it didn't ask me for permissions. Why it's... Oh, it didn't appear anywhere like installed the Audacity app. So in Linux it's better to wait a little bit because in some time it will show up. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it's installed. Let's launch. So it wants us to put a command in the terminal. Let's see how to do it. Okay, terminal. Okay, so yeah, now I have Audacity. Let's try something else. Yeah, it takes some time to... Okay. So you can see on the video that the software app didn't find Steam in the first time, but ignore this. I think it's happened because I was installing like the Minecraft launcher and it was like doing another thing and it didn't like load because another task was performing. Is there Steam? Yeah, it's you can install even Steam. So yeah, I don't know why it didn't find Steam here. Yeah, so, yeah, it found it. Okay, it just didn't. Yeah, I think it needs a restart sometimes. To okay, let's install Steam and let's see what happens. So the launcher is already installed in games. Let's see what this thing. So I thought it was a free launcher, a free Minecraft launcher, but it isn't. You need a Microsoft account to install or use or play Minecraft, so whatever. Ah, you need a license account. Okay. Whatever. I don't have license. Yeah, let's try uninstalling something. So I went directly to the app that I want to uninstall, but you can always go on you can see on the top of the app installed tab. You always can uninstall apps from there. Installed, yeah, you can always click remove from the store, like the software app. I said that you can remove apps from store, but you can remove them using the terminal too. Let's see if Steam. Yeah, it is installed. Let's try searching Chrome. I'm curious if it's here. I don't think it's here. I think it will show Chromium. It's here. You can install Chrome. You can even install Chrome from here. That's so cool because in other, not all the distributions like leave you the option to install Chrome. You will need to do it from terminal. So this message means that you need to put a password that will protect your saved passwords. You can always skip this clicking on continue and leaving the spaces blank. To create default query. Okay. Yeah, Chrome works. Yeah. Oh, it even has like the theme applied. Cool. I like how uh, all system apps and even non-system apps like get this Zorin OS like the theme. You can say yeah, but in Windows there is like dark and light modes. Yeah, but I meant like the color scheme, like the green color that I applied. It even showed up in Chrome. How I want to try to change the background. Change background. Yeah, so you have some backgrounds. So yeah, there is a lot of options here. Yeah, you can now you can return options like the power options. So I think for now it's enough. How many time I'm recording? 45 minutes. So for now I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I think I will continue like this thematic. I will show some more distributions, and also I will show something like from Zorin OS. Thanks for watching. See you next time.